Hey guys, it's MultiTeachman. I'm finally back with another how-to tutorial, and for this tutorial I'm going to be teaching you how to encrypt some files you have. Okay, so let's just get started with that now. So the first thing we want to do is we want to get this program called TrueCrypt, and so we're going to do that by opening up our web browser and looking up on Google, download TrueCrypt. Okay, so it should be the first link, so just download that. And so there's your Windows downloads, your Mac downloads, your Linux downloads, so forth. So I chose Windows downloads since I got a Windows 7. And so once you have that up and running, installed, close the browser, and then just open it up. And so it'll present you with this here, your screen. And so now what we want to do is we want to click create volume button. Okay, and it will take us to this volume creation wizard. Okay. So we have here three options: create an encrypted file container, encrypt a non-system partition or drive, or encrypt the system partition or time system drive. And so this option here, it's just to create an encrypted folder, so something like this here. This option here is to encrypt like an external drive, like a flash drive or a CD drive, or a CD or a DVD. And so I'm not quite sure what this one is, but yeah, but for the most part you're only going to be using this one, these two. But for the purpose of this tutorial, we're going to be making encrypted folders, so we're going to choose the first one. It says this one is actually recommended for inexperienced users, and you can click more information about that. Then we click next. Okay, and so here we have the standard TrueCrypt volume, which is going to be like regular zip files where you can have a password in them. So like you want to get into the folder, you have to enter a password and it'll get you right into it. But this one, hidden TrueCrypt volume, it has a password and it has two passwords. So it says here, it may happen that you are forced by somebody to reveal the password to an encrypted volume. There may be situations where you cannot refuse to reveal the password. For example, due to extortion, using a so-called hidden volume allows you to solve such situations without revealing the password to your volume. So basically, you have a password for okay. So you have two passwords. One's the right password, and one's the wrong password. So if someone forces you to give them the password, you give them the wrong password. It will still open up the file, the hidden file, but it's not going to open up the one that's actually hidden. You're going to have to make a sort of phony secret file. So for this tutorial, we're going to be choosing this one, the hidden TrueCrypt one. I always do this hidden TrueCrypt one no matter what. Okay, so I'm just going to be doing normal mode. Okay. And so now we want to select where we want to keep this file. And for the purpose of the tutorial, just to make things go smoothly, I'm going to put it on the desktop. So I'm just going to call this one secret stuff. Save that. Next. Next. Okay, then click next again. And so here, you need to know how much space like how much stuff you want to put inside your encrypted folder. And so you should know this beforehand, because TrueCrypt has to know this stuff before it moves on. So I usually go with 1 gigabyte, but it's really up to you, depending on how much you're gonna put in there. And so click next. And so here is the password part. So this outer volume password, this is the phony secret file. So you make a fake password for the phony file. And so I'm just going to type something in here. Okay, click next. Oh yeah, and remember, maximum possible password length is 64. So if you're like a security junkie, well, there you go, you got plenty of space for that. And then click next. and then it's randomly generating a number to encrypt the file with. So whenever you want, just click format, and then it'll take that random key, and then it'll start encrypting it. Just wait for that to finish. I'm not gonna whistle this time. Okay, there we go. Now that the outer volume is complete, so what I recommend doing is like making like the outer volume's contents immediately. You don't have to, but for the sake of this tutorial, I'm gonna create the contents of the outer volume. And I recommend you do this too, because like if someone asks you for the password and they get the fake password and they see that the folder is empty, they're just like, no, this can't be right, you're hiding something else. And so good stuff. Surprise party. Okay, so that's in my phony secret stuff folder, and then I'm going to close that and then click next. Oh, and there was some administrative confirmation there, so make sure to click yes on there. And now we are here at the hidden volume. Next, once again, about 1 GB. Yeah, oh, maximum volume is, oh, okay. Okay, looks like I can't make it 1 GB, so. Yeah, this is, okay, this is because, I made my, outer volume smaller, bigger than, you need to make your, outer volume, like, when it initially prompts you for the size, you need to put, like, I don't know, at least 2 GB on that one. I made a mistake of putting in 1 GB, so now I'm limited to 1060 megabytes, which is almost a gigabyte, but it's not good enough. So, okay, so next, I'm gonna click yes, and so here you want to make sure you have a good, really good password, because this is the part that's hidden. It's not the fake one, and so I'm gonna put in something a bit more complex. Of course, that's not a real password, I just randomly put in letters. Okay, and then click format. Okay. Okay, no, that's created. Oh. Okay, and so we're done now. And so we just want to click cancel. And so, where is our, there it is, secret stuff. And so, now how we open the secret stuff folder, we select any of these drives. So, I usually always start from the bottom, so. No, don't sing that song, don't sing, okay. Yeah, so, click select file, and then go to where you save that folder, and we call it secret stuff. So open that, and then click mount, and then type in the password. Here, if I type in the phony password, which I don't remember, yeah, I don't remember it. Okay, I'm gonna show you the hidden part instead. And so as you can see, it now it shows like the directory of the file, the size, encryption algorithm, the type it's hidden. And so if you want to open it, just double click it, and there you go. Here's our hidden part. And so in here we can put in our actual secret stuff. So so yeah, this hidden stuff will go in there. And okay, now for the phony part, I'll just try to see if I can remember the password. Okay, so I remember the phony password now. So just type that in, and there you go. This type is normal. So this one is not hidden, it's normal. And so we're gonna open that, and there you go. There's our phony file. Okay, so yeah, like, so this, if you want to like get this out, because actually you can also access this drive from, if you go to computer, and look, there's the Z drive right here, and it's open to our phony folder. Okay, and so if you want to get out of here, you want to click dismount. But really, if I were you, I would click dismount all, just in case you actually have any other ones open. So I always click dismount all. Okay, and so now that we're and so when you come back here, you can see that the Z drive is gone. And also, if you look in recent items, you might find it. Yeah, okay. So sometimes in recent items, you might find the file you currently open. But however, if you click the file, oh, here it is. Yeah, if you click the file, it's going to say the driver network and the secret stuff is unavailable. So it's not going to be able to access that. So make sure you give whatever you're hiding in the TrueCrypt names that are ambiguous, you could say, so like they don't reveal the contents of it. And so yeah, and so that's pretty much it for this. And also one more thing, well, a good idea is to inside your TrueCrypt files, hide another TrueCrypt file inside. So inside one TrueCrypt volume, you could hide another in, and so forth. You could just do that over and over again. Yeah, I think that's a really good idea, and so you guys should try that if you really want to hide this, whatever it is you're hiding. And so yeah, so you click exit, close it, and then exit, and it's yep. So this has been Multi-Tutor Man signing out.